So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view places with an ocean view here on Expedia. So once you have Expedia opened up on your device, what I want you to do is either to go to home in the bottom left, or beside that press on search, then go to the top left and press on stays. Once you're on the stays page, press on the city that you're looking to go to. So for this example, I will say New York City. Then I'll go to the bottom here, press on search. Now, to refine your search even further to places that only offer an ocean view, what you have to do is go to where it says popular right here. Beside that, press on sort and filters. Then scroll down to where it says amenities right here. Now, if you're looking for a place with an ocean view, scroll down to where it says ocean view right here. Press on ocean view, then go to the bottom and press on done. So now what it's going to be showing you guys right here is a whole bunch of different listings through Expedia that offer an ocean view. So for example, if you're looking for maybe not a hotel, but maybe more so an apartment or a house, for example, just scroll down to where it says property type. You can press on private vacation home, for example, press on that, then press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing is private vacation homes that actually offer a view, which in this case it actually doesn't exist. So what we have to do is refine that a little bit more. Then we'll have to scroll down. My apologies here. And how about we show you where is property type? Let's look for a condo, for example, and press on done. So as you can tell right here, it doesn't actually match it as well. But if you just go to ocean view right here, all these options offer an ocean view, and you guys get the point of what I'm trying to show you. But super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to view places with an ocean view on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.